modified and it is under patent and the process is also under patent, where we are trying to work out with application of heat in a controlled and measurable way. So that helps us in retaining the patient. I can tell you when Agnikarma, the ancient way, when it is done in a clinic, out of 10, 8 patients may run away. But with this particular way, when we are delivering the heat, there are no scars, there is immediate result. We have at least out of 10, 8 referrals for the same treatment from outside, not 8 runaways. So this development definitely has helped many of us in going ahead, and we are at present having at least 6 to 7 highly reputed institutes which are using this particular model in their pain management department. In fact, one of my student, I cannot say him student because he is a teacher in a highly reputed institute, went to Nepal recently just to demonstrate how this particular treatment works. So I can say, when we are trying to work out with pain, whenever we have to apply this kind of instruments, it helps the clinician. And let me be very clear that in institutes, we get a particular number of patients, but when we are sitting in clinics, we have lakhs and crores of patients to treat, and if the clinician is easily getting the technologies which we can give to them, I think we are serving the nation as a small sevak. As there is Pradhan Sevak, we are small sevaks. So we can definitely give something back to the society in such modifications.
Great, sir. If there is no more queries,
I have one comment and question, sir. So first of all, thank you for this wonderful innovative device. And my question is how frequently, like suppose pain comes every day, as you said, it's temporary pain, like acute pain management. So especially when patients finish their therapy at Tata for 2 months, they go home. Palliative care there starts. They have to come. So there is something called regular pain, which they get every day. There is something called intense pain, which is like hard to manage. They feel like I need a chemical now. So, what is your experience? Like every day needed this therapy, or through when I use for a month, then my pain sensation or feeling goes away, or I can tolerate better ways. Like I mean, just trying to understand the implementation side.
See, we have two approaches to the pain. One is the acute pain and something which is chronic. And we have certain graphs. If somebody is having acute pain, maybe accidental pain, maybe it is out of cancer. We have done these treatments sometimes twice a day for 7 days continuously to control his pain every day, just like he is taking one pill morning and evening. He is taking this treatment morning and evening, but since it is non-pharmacological and it is something which gives instant results and it is not burning your skin, it is not hampering with any of your other systems, it can be administered twice or thrice in a day also. It depends on severity of pain, chronicity of pain, acuteness of pain, and we have those graphs where we can intervene and give patients better results. And yes, there are some frequencies, just like in chronic pain, we call them maybe once in a week, maybe once in 15 days. And it is so simple to administer that it can be kept at OPD level also. It can be given to our caretakers, the occupational therapists or the nurses who may visit patient and give them in terminal stages. That is what we have done in our patients also. The cancer patients who are in terminal stage and they are not admitted to hospital. This particular machine is so small and sweet that anybody can carry it to that patient's home, and it is so easy to connect that it can be given at point of care. So it can be in our OPDs, it can be at patient's home, it can be in hospital, it can be bedside, anywhere you can use it. So, and it's matter of few minutes you can deliver the results. And if we have any volunteer, I can definitely demonstrate it. But if somebody wants to know more about it, we have one-day workshops. And coincidentally, we are having this workshop coming Sunday itself. So if anybody is interested, you can definitely join us.
Thank you, Dr. Uday Kulkarni. Shall we move to the next?